Place this under cucumbers when planting them in the ground. Experienced gardeners do this. You'll provide cucumbers with essential nutrients right from the moment they're planted. These nutrients improve the cucumber's health, enhance flowering, and reduce fungal diseases and pests. The decomposing materials under the cucumbers also generate heat, which cucumbers love. So pick some nettles growing in your garden. If you have dandelions, commonly known as milkweed, pick their leaves. You can also pick clover leaves, which often grow in the grass, as well as yarrow leaves. Grass itself is also ideal for cucumbers. All these plants are suitable for cucumbers. Put them into the planting hole. Chopped nettles and the other picked plants. Dandelion leaves, clover leaves, yarrow leaves, and grass. Cover them with a thin layer of soil and water them. The water will speed up their decomposition. Then cover them with another layer of soil and plant the cucumbers on top. The harvest will surely surprise you. The cucumbers will be delicious and perfect for pickling.